In a semi-strong form efficient market, buyers and sellers analyze publicly available information. They use that information to estimate the value of a security, and then they compare that value with market prices. They're trying to identify mispriced assets, assets that are overpriced or underpriced, and then they make buying and selling decisions based on that comparison. As a result of this process, prices adjust in response to market forces, so that the information that has been used to identify mispriced assets is impounded into current prices. It also means that prices react immediately to the release of new information. It's important to note that the record of past prices is publicly available information, and therefore if a market is semi-strong form efficient, it must also be weak form efficient. We looked at this chart in the first module of this topic, showing the behavior of a share price as a response to the release of new information. This chart not only shows that the information was not reflected in share prices before it was released, was reflected in the share price after it was released, and importantly, the share price reacted immediately or too quickly for buyers and sellers to take advantage of the information and buy or sell at the old price. The implications of a semi-strong form efficient market is that it is impossible to consistently earn an abnormal return by analysing public information to try to identify mispriced securities. Logically, that means that fundamental analysis is a waste of time. Fundamental analysis involves analysing public information to try to estimate the true or intrinsic value of an asset and then compare it with the market price to see whether it is mispriced. The information that is analysed could be information coming from companies such as earnings forecasts or analysis of companies by external analysts.